Crown and defense lawyers were far apart today in their sentencing submissions, arguing what a fair punishment looks like for a woman convicted of manslaughter. With more from the London courthouse, here's Gerry Dewan.
27-year-old Shaniqua Henry was found dead in the laneway of a Chippewas of the Thames home in July of 2022. Her friend, Koree Dockstater, was charged with second-degree murder in connection with her stabbing death, but was ultimately convicted in July of last year of the lesser charge of manslaughter and granted bail. During testimony, the court heard that Dockstater and Henry had been driving around using alcohol and drugs and arguing over a money issue. During the confrontation, Henry received a stab wound to the heart that claimed her life. On Friday, Assistant Crown Attorney Gerry called for an 8-year sentence with time served and other credits. The remaining time to be served would be slightly under 4 years. In his submission, Carnegie noted that after stabbing Henry, Dockstater left her in the lane in the early morning hours and drove away without calling 911. Henry's auntie, Colleen McLaughlin, read 4 victim impact statements into the court record, including one from Henry's partner, Alan Young. In his statement, Young said their daughter, Layla Henry, would ask, "Why did Mummy go to be an angel?" saying questions like that are hard to answer. Conversely, Dockstater's attorney, Jeff Snow, said his client shouldn't spend another day in jail. He argued for a suspended sentence or at the most a 2-year sentence, which would be offset by time served and credited time. A Gladue report was submitted in this case, which identifies systemic issues affecting an Indigenous offender, often linked to colonialism and racism. Snow told the court that Gladue reports have been used for about 30 years but have had negligible impact on sentencing outcomes. He called on Superior Court Justice Mark Garson to change that practice. Snow became emotional as they identified challenges impacting the now 34-year-old Dockstater and noted that her own 3 children will suffer the consequences if she is sent to jail. At the outset of the hearing, Justice Garson told the court he would need some time to consider his sentencing decision. Gerry Dewan, CTV News.